Hi, it's Miguel here with a quick video. This video is on the SOS water claw. Got called to a job in a commercial building here in San Francisco where they had a 1.5-inch pipe break and it kind of flooded some of the floors, and they're waiting for approval for more of the work to be done. But for now, the job just calls for water extraction on the carpet and pad without removal. So this water claw by SOS is actually really a perfect thing for our job. And what we're doing is we're drying it up little by little over here, and then we're gonna run our air movers after we've sucked up as much water as we can. It's connected to a drieaze HVE3000 extractor, and that's what it's doing right there. It's just pulling the water from the carpet, and eventually we could just dry this off with the fan. It's got an adjustable handle over here. You can go up and down, and over here it's spring loaded to break the suction without breaking the water claw. And you just go from section to section, and then it actually shows where there's still a lot of water. And over here, since I'm moving up that way, I'm just overlapping each section that I do, and then this one will be right there, and all the water will come from around this area over here. And then we're gonna work our way on the side over here, work our way on the side over there, underneath the desk and stuff like that, just so that the drying process will be a lot faster and we won't have to rely on the dehumidifiers to soak up all of this water, because we've already sucked up 35 gallons of water just on the first floor, and we're not even halfway done yet. But that's the water claw by SOS. Amazon link will be on the description. If you guys are doing water damage and you guys don't have one of these, it's a definite must. Yeah. Yeah, the guys are pretty excited about the tool, and yeah, it's a really good tool to have. In conjunction with the HVE3000 extractor, the whole set comes to about 4,800 bucks, close to 5 grand. But when you get jobs like this, it's definitely going to be worth it. There's the extractor right there, HVE3000, and there you go. So it's pulling all of that from the carpet, and since we've got hallways and hallways and hallways and another floor going down, we're gonna be doing this all day. Thanks for watching.